You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of Arabic origin, Arabic names that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned. The Arabic pronunciation is Kamell. Kamell. Therefore, in English, it's either pronounced camel, camel, or Kamell. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. Let us know. And where you're from as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.